Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's flowery artwork is going to be a very easy and a very interesting one. So let's get started. I'm starting with preparing the base of the painting, which will be light colored flowers, and using bright orange pigment of medium consistency for that. That is neither too thick nor too watery. And putting 5 dots on the paper. After that, I clean my brush, wipe out any excess water from the brush and spread the pigment to form the petals of the flower. As the flower has to be light, I will wipe out any excess pigment from the paper. I'm using a 33% cotton cold pressed watercolor paper and Camel artist watercolors. You can use artist watercolors of any brand that you have. You can choose any pigment of your choice and make the petals in any shape that you wish. Just that, because this is the base, the flowers have to be light in color. You can refer to my last tutorial where I had done the petals in rhombus shape. So like this, I cover almost half the sheet with orange flowers and a few buds. Now I do a few flowers in gamboge yellow pigment. Here, instead of 5 petal flowers, you can even paint 4 petal, 3 petal or 6 petal flowers as per your choice. Now let me do the stems and the leaves, and I'm using sap green for that. I'm taking very little pigment in my brush, and this is of a watery consistency as I want a very light base for this painting. Now just see, this is a freehand work and in minutes our beautiful base is ready. Now once this dries, we will do the top layer of the flowers. For this layer, I'll do the flowers in vermilion hue red and purple. And I make the purple by mixing cobalt blue and crimson lake red in the ratios of 1:3. That is almost 1 of cobalt blue and 3 of crimson lake. Let me start by showing you the vermilion hue flower. So 5 dots of a relatively thicker consistency of pigment, as I'll be doing darker colored flowers. Now the same process, cleaning the brush, wiping it and spreading the pigment to form the petals. This will be the first layer of these flowers. Now I'm taking purple to give it further shading. You can do the shading in 2 to 3 layers depending on how dark you wish your flower to be. Similarly, you can create flowers in any colors that you wish. So this was red base and purple shading. Let me make a half flower with purple base and red shading now. You don't have to try hard to make all your petals look the same. The variations make it more interesting. In similar way, you can create as many flowers in as many color combinations as you wish. Let me make an all purple flower now. So here I'm doing single colored flowers and two colored flowers. You can even give a hint of a third or a fourth color in your flower. So you should keep experimenting in single color, two color, three color, four color flowers, and like this soon you will develop your signature flowers. And that will give you immense satisfaction and pleasure. Now let's come to the stems and the leaves in sap green pigment. Here also you can use 2 to 3 shades of green and also yellows or browns if you wish. I'm showing the process using sap green. So guys, our beautiful and easy painting is ready. Hope you liked the tutorial. In case you like it, please hit the like button, share the video and subscribe to my channel. See you soon in yet another exciting tutorial. Till then, stay safe, keep happy, goodbye.